Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. I'm going to break down how I do my eyebrows, shaping, tinting, just everything about it. I wax my eyebrows. Now, facial hair removal is a very personal choice. I choose to remove the extra facial hair because I'm not comfortable having it. If you don't want to, you do not have to. I don't like to thread my eyebrows because they are so painful. I always get them waxed, so now I wax them myself. I used to get them waxed about 3 years ago, and ever since I moved here to India, I wax them myself because I can't find a single person who does it well over here. They always end up looking too thin, and you can see my eyebrows look pretty dark, and they're not too thick, they're not really bushy, but this is them without filling it in. You can see it's not too bad. Ignore my hair. This is just a very impromptu video because I just put up an Instagram story saying, do you want to see my eyebrow tutorial? Because I always get questions saying, can you please show us how to do shape your eyebrows, especially during quarantine. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing you will need are these face waxing strips. You can use body strips. I've used that before because I'm broke. These come with these wipes. It's like these oil-based wipes. Very, very useful. They're reusable too. Tweezers. This is not absolutely necessary, but you can have one of these. They're disposable. You use them for about like 4 or 5 times, and then you can just like throw them off. A spoolie brush. Scissors. I mean, these are massive, but get the small ones to trim your eyebrow hair. And that's it. That's all you will need. And of course, a mirror. That's very, very important. So this is not for first timers. I would not suggest doing this for people who have never done their eyebrows, who don't know what shape their eyebrows are going to turn out to be. If you've already done your eyebrows and you know an approximate shape that it will take, you know, like once you do your eyebrows and then they're like nice and clean, that's basically what you're trying to gain. That's what you're trying to retrieve during this quarantine. So I know how my eyebrows will be after I do them because I know how they usually are. I just have a few extra, like a few stray strands that I need to clean up, but I don't tweeze them all off, and I don't like threading because that's painful. But I will show you one method that's quick. It's painful, okay? It's a little painful, but it's quick, sort of, for me, because I've been doing this for a long time now, and I haven't found anything that is the issue with it. So I'll show you how that's done. After this, I will show you how the eyebrows are tinted. For right now, it's just shaping, like just cleaning it up. I pull my hair back. Okay. The strips will come like this. You can just tear them. That's a very messy tear, but you can just like tear them up. I like to take the scissors. I like to take my scissors and just cut them down the center so that they're skinnier than this, because you can see it's quite large, right? So once there's a skinny strip like this, I will cut it in half, and I'll just cut this very useless end piece like this, so that's what you have left. Okay, that's what you have left. Now you can just take this and apply it to your under and over under your eyebrows and over your eyebrows, and just rip it off. Now I'm going to take my spoolie brush and brush all my eyebrow hair upward, so I see the few extra, like the stray strands. Okay, now I will take my mirror and my waxing strip, place it right here. You can see where that is. So that's my eyebrow hair. Those are the few stray strands. Just press it in nicely. Be careful you don't get your lashes. That's never happened to me. And you can also, by the way, if you're more comfortable doing this, you can pull your eyebrow like this and just look at that. I don't know if that's visible, but look at that. Those are the few annoying strands that made my eyebrow look so bad. And you can continue this all through your eyebrow. Okay, I don't know if you can make out the difference between the underneath of this eyebrow and this eyebrow. I will brush it up just for reference. but you can see this one versus this one. This one looks much cleaner. Yes, it's red and irritated because you just waxed it. That's completely fine. You can use the strips, like these oil strips, and just clean it up now. Okay, so you can see that I've done the underneath of my eyebrows. I still have my unibrow and the part on top to do. I will do that and I will show you how. The same thing goes on top. You can just cut up the strips. So the strip you have, just cut it in the center and then just do it along your upper eyebrow. Time lapse that. The center, I will show you how. Okay, you can see the difference between this eyebrow. Looks much cleaner, looks lighter actually compared to this eyebrow. So again, I will do the same thing on top for this eyebrow. Okay, now we're done with those two sides. Now I will show you how this center Frida Kahlo-ish bit has to be done. I'll take my wax strip, cut it in half. Now, it depends on how wide the space between your eyebrows is. The space between my eyebrows is quite wide, so I can literally go in with this entire thing. Can I? Yeah, I can actually go in with this, but I will show you. For this, keep this part, okay? Take it and you can just cut off the extra bits that might make your eyebrow look too wide apart. Okay, so take the part. Be careful when you come to the end, because if you yank it too hard, it usually always curls up and becomes a mess. Now place it in the center, press it and place it. And I'm going from up to down. It's fine, you can take it however, this looks funny. You can take it however high you want. It depends on how much hair you have on your forehead. And then just up to down, because your hair grows from down to up. And the same thing with whatever's left. I don't use a strip more than once, except to take off the extra wax that might be stuck to my face. Okay, again I'm going to take this, and I can see a few stray strands that I don't want, and just clean that up. So you see this extra wax? I will just take it and it's off. This is a close-up of my eyebrows now. You can see much cleaner, much better, honestly. Now I'll move on to tinting my eyebrows. You can, by the way, this you can use, I've always used this to clean up my hairline, because this is very useful for that, because I have a lot of baby hair that it looks much neater when you clean your hairline up. That's definitely a big thing. We are now going to do the eyebrow tinting part. Now, this will be controversial, but this is what I do, and you wanted to see what I do, because I'd asked this question, do you want to know what I do? Because you guys ask me what I do. I'm going to keep stressing on that, because there are separate eyebrow tints. I live in a place that's not available at, and I'm broke, so I can't really get it shipped, especially not during a quarantine. This is easily available and I've been using it for years now. Beard color, okay? There are many different brands. I just buy a generic one. And very similar to hair color, you mix 1 and 2. So I don't read the instructions, I go 1:1, the ratio. I'm gonna assume that's the way you do it. My mom absolutely hates it when I do this. It comes with this thing, I just never use it. I will use my spoolie brush for this. This is the brush I keep specifically for this, for my eyebrows. So you wouldn't need a lot, by the way. Right now when I'm pouring it, I'm pouring a lot. You would need the smallest amount of this. Also, you will need Vaseline to put around your eyes, and the same amount of 2. I have eyeballed it. Now, you will need Q-tips, a brush, a Q-tip you can just use to mix it up, and then apply Vaseline around your eyebrows. I will show you. My Vaseline, picking it up with a brush. You can use your fingers, you can use a Q-tip. And I'm going to shape out my eyebrows. So, wherever I don't want the tint to go, I'm going to protect the skin around that. So you can see I've applied it around my eyebrow hair, around my eyebrow hair. You can use an alcohol pad just to clean up the oil from the eyebrow, which you would have caused because of the oil sheet that comes with the waxing strips. Okay, I will pick it up with my brush, look into my mirror very carefully, and apply it generously onto the hair. Don't worry if you mess up, you can always use a Q-tip in the end and just like clean up where you didn't want it to be. Okay, so I've applied it on my eyebrows. I'll come up close for a close-up view of it. The Vaseline is still there, you can see the shape. I'm going to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes now. Not 10 to 15, 15 minutes. Let it get like dark enough. So the color that I've chosen is brown black. Right, so it's not like black, so it's not going to be a very intense color, it's not going to look harsh, it's not going to look weird, because I really like my eyebrows to be dark, but not too dark, because my hair's already dark. I don't want my eyebrows to be darker. On my face it's going to look weird. If you like that, you can choose the color that you prefer. It's just been a few minutes and you can see how dark it's gotten. It's gotten really dark, and I really hope I don't mess up, because it's the first time I'm taking a video of this, and I really hope I don't mess up, because this is the equivalent of shave your eyebrows so that you don't step out. I already don't step out. I don't need a messed up face now. My eyebrows are not sisters, they're not cousins, they're not twins. Now they're gonna look like two complete different people, like from different races and everything, because I feel like this eyebrow is darker than this eyebrow. And okay, I'm just gonna take it off now. It's been 10 minutes. I'm literally too chicken for this video. So I'm gonna take a micellar water soaked, I'm gonna use this micellar water, this is the Garnier micellar water, on a cotton pad, and just take it off. Oh, not bad. Did I mess up? Awesome, look at that eyebrow. Y'all probably like, but I like this. Perfect. So these are my eyebrows close up after shaping and tinting them. I hope this video was useful to at least a few of you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.